We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and up-to-date overview of the THERMOS FUNTAINER Water Bottle with straw, 12 ounce, kids stainless steel vacuum insulated water bottle with lid, Cars Edition. If you own this product, please leave your review in the comments to help other parents and caregivers make informed decisions. The THERMOS FUNTAINER Water Bottle with straw stands out as one of the most popular and highly rated insulated bottles for kids, boasting an impressive 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 32,000 ratings. Its enduring popularity is no accident. This review will cover everything users love and dislike about the bottle, based on real-world experiences, expert insights, and the wealth of feedback available online. First, let's talk about the core feature, insulation. The Funtainer uses THERMOS's signature vacuum insulation technology, which is designed to keep drinks cold for up to 12 hours. Parents consistently report that the bottle lives up to this promise. Whether it's a hot summer day or a bottle left in a car, the water inside remains cool and refreshing. Some parents even note that ice placed in the bottle at night is still present the next morning, a testament to the effectiveness of the double-wall stainless steel construction. This makes it ideal for school, outdoor play, sports, and travel, ensuring kids have access to cold water throughout the day. The bottle's 12-ounce capacity is carefully considered for young children. It is large enough to provide hydration for several hours, but compact enough for small hands to grip easily. The dimensions, at just under 7 inches tall and about 3 inches wide, allow it to fit comfortably in most backpack side pockets, lunch boxes, and stroller cup holders. Parents of toddlers and preschoolers highlight that the size is perfect for daily use, and even older kids find it sufficient for school and after-school activities. A major highlight is the kid-friendly design. The bottle features a push-button lid that is easy for little hands to operate. Children as young as 13 months have been able to learn how to open the lid within minutes, making it empowering for kids to access their own drinks without constant adult assistance. The integrated carry handle with a soft touch grip adds to the portability, making it convenient for children to carry their own bottle to school, playgrounds, or family outings. The inclusion of a hygienically covered pop-up straw is another frequently praised feature. The straw is soft, easy for children to drink from, and can be removed for thorough cleaning. Parents appreciate that the straw mechanism is designed to minimize spills and leaks. When the lid is closed, the bottle is effectively leak-proof, even when tossed into a bag or dropped from a height. However, it is important to note that if the lid is left open, the bottle can spill, as with most straw-based bottles. This is a common theme in user reviews, but the consensus is that the Funtainer is one of the most reliable options for minimizing messes. Durability is a recurring theme in positive reviews. The bottle is constructed from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel, which is both lightweight and robust. It is designed to handle the inevitable drops, dings, and rough handling that come with active children. Parents have reported that the bottle survives falls from strollers, playground equipment, and even parking lots with only minor surface scratches. The bottle's graphics and prints, whether it's Cars, Super Mario, Peppa Pig, Bluey, or Disney princesses, are vibrant and long-lasting. Even after months of daily use and repeated washing, the designs remain intact without significant fading or scratching. Ease of cleaning is another area where the Funtainer excels. The bottle is dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended for longevity. The straw, lid, and mouthpiece can be easily disassembled, making it straightforward to clean all components thoroughly. This is a significant advantage over some competing bottles and sippy cups, which can be difficult to take apart and clean properly. Parents who have struggled with lingering odors or mold in other bottles report that the Funtainer remains odor-free when used and cleaned as directed, especially when dedicated to water only. The secure lock and flip-top cap are well designed to prevent accidental openings. The lock is easy for children to use but secure enough to prevent leaks in backpacks. The bottle's base is stable, and the overall weight, at just under 8 ounces, is light enough for children to carry but substantial enough to feel sturdy and not flimsy. The variety of licensed character designs is a major draw for both kids and parents. Children are excited to use a bottle featuring their favorite characters, which can encourage them to drink more water throughout the day. The bottle is available in a range of colors and themes, with the Cars design being a perennial favorite among young fans. Parents note that the fun designs make the bottle a popular choice for school, daycare, and themed birthday parties. The ability to match the bottle to a child's interests adds a personalized touch that is often missing from generic water bottles. Performance in real-world scenarios is consistently rated highly. Parents use the Funtainer for school, daycare, sports, travel, and even themed parties. The bottle keeps drinks cold during long outdoor play sessions, in hot cars, and throughout busy school days. Its spill-proof design, when the lid is closed, gives parents peace of mind when tossing it into bags or handing it to toddlers and strollers. The bottle's compact size ensures it fits easily in most cup holders and backpack pockets, making it a practical choice for families on the go. There are, however, a few minor drawbacks noted by users. Some parents mention that the bottle is a bit heavier than plastic alternatives, though most agree that the added durability and insulation are worth the trade-off. The lid, while sturdy, can sometimes detach if the bottle is dropped from a significant height, but it is easy to reattach. The straw mechanism, while generally easy to clean, may require extra attention to prevent buildup, especially if used for drinks other than water. A few users have noted that the bottle will leak if the lid is left open, but this is a common issue with most straw bottles and not unique to the Funtainer. Another consideration is the bottle's capacity. While 12 ounces is ideal for young children, older kids, or those who need more hydration during long days may find it necessary to refill the bottle more frequently. For most preschool and elementary-age children, however, the size is sufficient for school hours and outings. The bottle is not designed for hot liquids, and this is clearly stated by the manufacturer. It is optimized for keeping cold drinks cold and should not be used for hot beverages. This focus on cold insulation is appreciated by parents who want to ensure their children have access to refreshing water throughout the day. Pricing is another area where the Funtainer receives positive feedback. Parents generally find the bottle to be reasonably priced, especially given its durability, insulation performance, and fun designs. The bottle's long lifespan and ability to withstand daily use make it a good investment for families looking for a reliable water bottle for their children. In summary, the THERMOS FUNTAINER Water Bottle with straw is widely regarded as one of the best water bottles for kids on the market. Its combination of effective insulation, kid-friendly design, durability, ease of cleaning, and appealing graphics make it a favorite among both parents and children. The bottle's performance in keeping drinks cold, preventing leaks, and surviving the rigors of daily use sets it apart from many competitors. While there are minor drawbacks, such as the potential for spills if the lid is left open and the need for thorough straw cleaning, these are outweighed by the bottle's many strengths. If you are looking for a water bottle that will keep your child's drinks cold, survive daily drops and bumps, and feature fun designs that your child will love, the THERMOS Funtainer is a top choice. Its high customer ratings and positive reviews from parents across the internet confirm its reputation as a practical, reliable, and enjoyable product for kids. Whether for school, daycare, sports, or travel, the Funtainer delivers on its promises and makes hydration fun and easy for children. Remember, if you have experience with the THERMOS Funtainer Water Bottle with straw, please leave your own review in the comments to help other parents and caregivers. Your feedback is valuable and can make a difference in helping others choose the right product for their needs. For more information or to purchase the product, the link is in the description. Supporting the channel through the link helps us continue to bring detailed, unbiased reviews to the community.